how to make an annoying sound to trick your friends or something. So you need end rods, which are these things, and then you need a trident, which is this. You can pick up. So you put 3 on top, and then you put 1 on the side, and you shoot it, and then they glitch. And you can put as many as you want, and it gets even more loud. But be careful not to get too close because you can pick them up.